na-eme social media ọmụdụkwa egwu.
On how to get posted.
Good
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How many rooms can you have, my dear?
No, sir, I'm not here for a room. I'm here to talk about our company and what we do. So, here you go.
Hey.
You can have this. So, I'm Cynthia from Vheluks company, and we're currently hiring skilled individuals for various roles, such as marketing and sales department, delivery personnel, poultry farm manager, poultry caretaker, and veterinary doctors. So for our marketing and sales department, we require high school diploma, proven marketing experience, proficiency in Microsoft Excel, and then good communication and negotiation skill. So for our delivery personnel, we require high school diploma or equivalent. We need a driving license and a clean driving record, experience in delivery or logistics preferably. So interested candidates can submit their resume or cover letter to hr@vheluks.com on or before the end of July 31st.
Okay. Cynthia, thank you for your wonderful information. You were speaking. I'm let me barrier this thing.
Barrier it for me. Barrier
you Cynthia.
Okay.
Oshina company na Vheluks.
Okay.
So when I won all my marketing. My marketing.
Okay.
Yeah, go on then when need to drivers.
Can say for the park on Nuku poultry farm be here.
Hey, when need my drivers, when need the poultry farm managers.
Okay.
When need the farm caretaker. When need the veterinary doctor. In case I'm interested, can you apply with their email address?
Okay.
Or company when I phone.
Okay, mama apply behind your van on the motor.
Do it, you want you have information. And information is power.
Okay.
When you go, no need the law. You send the ideas, or apply in person, more deliver an email.
Okay.
And ask when an application on ending at 30th of this July or 31st of this July.
This month?
Or ending this month. So, Cynthia, thank you very much for this wonderful information. Thank you. I appreciate it. I must commend your company for this wonderful job opportunity.
We can get with a number. I one or two.
No, sir, that's not necessary. Every detail you need is down there.
We'll do information all we need. They do now do Vheluks.
Okay.
More about their website.
Oh, but no one cares the room. I can join. I'm going to
their website. One of us farm Cabanema. Vheluks company. One name Mekanko. So you ban a website, you read through it. So.
Okay, Gisela, Anya, Baba Christmas.
Thank you very much. We appreciate.
Thank you so much. I'd like to take my leave then.
All right, thank you very much.
Hi. I look for Sunday Malumaka company and they were. If we head in on a number of states.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Stephanie.
Oh, Stephanie, sir.
Stephanie. Hey! Can you support me? Okay, no ring one kedel. But you not a good get now. One kedel now upon a boulevard, John, a babam kere nanya, but a carbon edel and now ring one I bought Salah.
Sir, please, I came to know if there's still vacancy. Like, I need an apartment where I could stay for now. So, I don't know if there's still vacancy in your house.
Hey, vacancy. And don't know need a church now. When you're not doing now. Hey, going and got you. Oh, so he gave me.
Just me.
Or more again, I gave me.
Yeah, I'm single.
It's single. It's shop.
Yeah, I'm single.
About one cage, I said, you can work here.
No.
Okay, going and got for now. Somebody must leave my compound. Going can we walk? Going kibini. I'm be a corner. Pablo! Pablo!
Yes,
I'm not here when I call him. I beg, come. Give me that your account number again.
You didn't give away.
Landlord won't bless all of his tenants.
I swear. I know. 91 50 80.
How you do come here?
393.
The billionaire.
7393.
The billionaire.
Bank.
I swear. You don't drop. Thank you.
Pablo, go inside, pack your things. You go leave my compound today. I get new tenants. We go replace you.
You said?
Use that money, go rent house for another place. Go carry your load. Come back. This is not your room.
Alright, how much, sir, so I can?
And then give me a payment. Leave payment for now. Go carry your
property. Go carry your property now. Leave payments. Leave payments.
I'm coming back now.
Yes.
Right.
I will be waiting.
Even I say they like cruise too much. You tell me say make I pack out. I don't like this cruise. Stop them.
You know, you're cruise.
Pablo, what funny Ibijugo?
Wait, make I come out. Landlord, if I come out, make I bend. What time say make I pack out? Now so we write for tenancy agreement. If I pack out for you, I will come SIM card.
Oh, you gonna hear work power bank. Pablo, see them poor.
No, Allah, you will come carry me, make I pack out now. Landlord, I know pack out.